अरे वाह अरे हेलो डेविड सर अरे विराट सर एक मिनट विराट आता सर में फोटो है माई वेट इरफान सर सिमरन ए दादा ए मित्रा ए दादा पीछे प्रीति थोड़ा इस तरह गुड वेरी नाइस ओ वाओ अरे क्या कर रहे हैं आवाज ये दादा बुलाओ प्रीति जी यहाँ पे अरे लाइट कम करो प्रीति जी मैम प्रीति मैम ये दत्ता बाद में करना हाँ ठीक है अरे भाई एक सेकंड लगा इकडे सर भाई जाओ ये थोड़ा पार्टी है ना यार ये गीता मैडम फिर आपने इधर किधर टॉप में खड़े करते हो
अरे वहीं खड़ा करने का था यार
गीता मैडम इकडे गीता सोलो थोड़ा आगे जाओ मैम थोड़ा आगे अरे यार किधर गीता मैडम थोड़ा इस साइड बस
गीता मैम सेंटर
गीता
सेंटर में
इधर देखा ही नहीं
गीता मैम सामने गीता जी सामने
इधर देखा ही नहीं
सामने देखिए मैम
थैंक यू पार्टी कर दो थोड़ा आगे जाओ ना तुम आगे जाओ चलेगा ठीक है ना बाबा
गीता मैम साथ में गीता मैम
जशोदा ब्रो कम दैट्स या ओ वाओ थैंक यू सेम
lot of fun, lot of entertainment. पहली बार आई हूँ on opening ceremony. Matches तो हर साल जाती हूँ, but to be a part of the opening ceremony is going to be fun. Let's see the performances and entertainment and all the teams will be together. So अच्छा लगेगा.
कौन सी टीम को आप सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, कौन से प्लेयर होते हैं, उनमें से कोई फेवरेट प्लेयर हो आपका?
मैं क्या of course I'm going to support. Of course मैं मुंबई इंडियंस को support करूँगी and favorite player तो obviously my husband Harbhajan. So yeah, of course. Chuck the patte. That's it. Go and just chuck the patte. Controversy of the draft issue and it is being held at a time See, that's a very political kind of issue, which, see, the drought has been there for quite some time. Every year we're having less rainfall. I think the full, I mean, the economy, the globalization of India, every year we're having some issue in terms of the weather, the rain, and it is a sad state to be in. But what can be done and how to go forward, that the professionals know best, and I think that's not my part to comment, because I feel that yes, I'm a person who always tries my best to conserve water. जिधर हम नहाने की बात करते हैं या होली भी बिल्कुल बिना पानी से खिली है, तो I try my best to conserve water, but in terms of the larger picture, I think it's best that the guys
फोटो परत काढला पाहिजे.
See, whether it would really help the IPL, but I really can't, moving the IPL at this moment, it's, I can't really comment. So I think that's for them.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I just love cricket and I love the way the boys play.
फिर कोई आपकी favorite team जिसको आप look out कर रहे हो या
सब मेरी favorite है.
Mr. Dutt, there's a controversy about the drought and the IPL being held at this
I'm already just out of jail, so just leave me out of all this stuff, right?
Thank you so much for the time.
Please थोड़ा पीछे आ जाओ.
यार तुम ऐसे कर नहीं सकते.
Virat, one bite.
एक वाइट छोटी सी.
बाजी दिस टाइम नई टीम्स आई हैं, सब कुछ मतलब IPL इससे काफ़ी हम बहुत कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करें, तो आपका क्या कहना है इसमें?
See, obviously IPL has always been a very great tournament, for youngsters, for people like us, who played the game for more than 15 years. It brings a lot of things together, and yes, it's going to be a very exciting season ahead, and we are all looking forward to it.
मुंबई इंडियन इज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट, बट अपने अलावा आप कौन सी टीम को सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग मानते हैं?
Well, we are defending champion, and we just need to play well, and hopefully we can continue with the same thing what we did in the last year. And of course, every team is a strong team in this competition. We need to take one game at a time, and I'm sure all the teams are looking forward for this competition, and we just need to play to our potential, and hopefully we can do the things right for us.
Harbhajan, a word on the drought controversy, because IPL is being held in Maharashtra, and there has also been a petition in the High Court about this entire issue, because the state is reeling under drought.
Well, as I just heard from IPL Governing Council's chairman, that they have said they will fully cooperate with the government and the people of Maharashtra, and we are definitely there to support and be there for the people. We are like them, they are like us. We are part of them. We are part of the society. So whatever is the top officials or top parent associations or parents body will tell us to do, we are ready to do that, and will not let people affect because of us.
महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने भी कह दिया है कि IPL के लिए हम पानी सप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, अगर जो IPL के वेन्यू चेंजेस होने हैं तो होने दीजिए.
ये देखिए, जो गवर्नमेंट कहेगी, जो हमारे ऑफिशियल्स जो हमें गाइड जैसे करेंगे, हम वी आर रेडी टू डू दैट वे. सो वी आर ऑल देयर टू बी विद एवरीवन, विद ईच एंड एवरी इंडियन, एंड विल डेफिनेटली डू द नीडफुल व्हाटएवर इज रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम प्लेयर्स साइड ऑफ.
भाजी, रिलेशनशिप क्या क्रिकेट पे इफेक्ट पड़ता है, किसी के रिलेशनशिप को पसंद है?
क्रिकेटर की लाइफ में कभी
Cricketer का relationship, do you think it affects his game?
his performance
His performance?
Not at all. It's up to the individuals. Some people like to have their family around, and it makes them do really well on the field. So it's up to the individuals. And why not? All of us, we stay a lot of time out of our houses, and it's nice to have your family around and getting the support you require in your goods and your bad. So you need your family around. So it's good to have family coming there, staying with you, and supporting you all the way.
So do you think Virat Anushka match has been stretched a lot because of
Well, all I want to say that that's their private life, and I would like to respect, their privacy, and would request media to stay away from their life and let them live their life. And I don't know what are they doing with their life. So every individual have the right to live their own life. So let's respect their private privacy and let them be happy the way they want to.
Thank you.